Making a salad dressing at home is easy, and it's definitely healthier than anything you can find on a grocery store shelf. This is definitely one food item that should be made at home. Here it is. Let's make our creamy cumin ranch dressing, and I will definitely post the recipe below or a link to it. So it says 3/4 cups of raw cashews. I have that in the Vitamix already. And I want to talk about using the Vitamix. It will be so creamy. So we're using the Vitamix today. 1/2 cup of water. And I always like to use filtered water. So I'm going to pour this in here. One. Oh, that was okay. So that was 1/2 cup of water. I have the juice of a lemon that I've juiced already. Here we go. Don't want those seeds in there. One tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 clove of garlic, and a teaspoon of snipped chives. Didn't have any chives, but these are very similar. They're the tops of the green onions. Chives are actually a little different. 1 teaspoon of dried dill. Put a teaspoon of dried dill in there. Let's see, I think I had some, yeah, it's a garlic piece, shell. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, which is still in my cabinet over here. So I'm going to get that out. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And I have 1/4 of a cup, 1/4 of a teaspoon, so I need 2 of those. A teaspoon of oregano. Use a What else do we have? We have a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And 1 whole teaspoon of cumin. I think I have everything. Oh, here's the salt. We need some salt. So that's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to get the top. Here they all are, what they look like before. And I am going to give it a whirl. And here's the finished product, recipe, dressing, and hopefully you'll be able to see that. And how smooth it is. Let me get a spoon. It's just like a really good dressing. Yum. So I'm going to put a link on my website to many other recipes. And remember, these are oil-free salad dressings. So tablespoon by tablespoon, there will not be 100 calories going into your salad. I'm just about to assemble my salad here. I have some carrots and purple cabbage, more cilantro, what is this? Some chopped chives I'm still putting in there. Here's a red bell pepper, and I always try to buy my bell peppers organic because they do tend to have more pesticides than anything else. Here's going to be like my meaty portion of vegetable beans and vegetable balls that I'm going to put on top, and we got a salad dressing. So I'm going to throw some spring mix in there in the bottom of my bowl. Let me make sure nothing is in my bowl. Some spring mix, some spinach. I forgot this other part, but I'll probably put some romaine in there for more crunch. But here's where the real crunch comes. This is it. I love this stuff. I use a lot of it. And all my salads and my wraps. And there's the little bit of pepper. See, it only takes a little bit, so it's okay to buy this organic. And let's see, what else do I want? Oh, I usually put a grain in there, and my favorite is quinoa. So here's my quinoa grain. Here's the meaty portion I told you about. This is a vegan salad, and it is very filling. I say lots of beans and different like pea proteins and things in there. I don't have any avocado, but I do have some guacamole that I pre-made, so I'll put that on there. This is a Tex-Mex salad. I love Tex-Mex food. And here's the Cumin ranch dressing that we made. And I guess that's it. I'm just gonna take this out and drizzle it on there. A couple of spoonfuls. And I keep these in these little mason jar containers. I'll put the date on it so I'll remember when I made it. And here is the salad. Can you see it? Can you see it? It is yummy. This is my dinner salad for today. Puppies, where are you? This is the fun part. Purple cabbage for puppies.